always in a hurry. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet. H is for horse with powerful feet. I is for ice cream, a tasty treat. J is for jelly, sticky and neat. K is for kangaroo, jumping with glee. L is for lion, king of the sea. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, where birds feel at ease. O is for owl, wise and old. P is for penguin, in the cold. Q is for queen, with the crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping ahead. S is for snake, slithering fast. T is for turtle, slow and steadfast. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, let's play it high. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, making music with glee. Y is for yak, with a fluffy coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes that float. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.